Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel, and for today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be installing the Miata. Now you guys know from the last video, we did do the Miata flat screen installation. It was an eBay installation part. As you guys know, everything from this car is eBay built, alright? Well, majority besides the hardtop and like some other random stuff, but majority of the car is eBay built, alright? I like eBay parts because it's cheap and it's Miata, okay? But today's video, we're going to be installing a second portion to that flat screen. We're gonna be installing the rear view camera. So let me go ahead and take you guys on back over here. And in this package right here, we have the rear view camera kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's already open. I'll be right back. Well, now that we're back, I had to pick these up from underneath the car. Got the, I think it was brackets or some sort of mounting, some sort of dog. I honestly don't know what this is for. It's there. All right, we have some sort of instruction manual. We have that. We also have some sort of product manual with a wiring diagram. Don't need that because it doesn't make any sense. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this rear view camera pulled out of this package. I'll show you guys the wiring. So that's the video cable, video / audio, and this will be the power cable along with the, what's it called, camera. Some 3M, some mounting screws. As you guys see, there's this big long cable. This end, or one of the ends, is gonna go into the back of your head unit, which is gonna be this piece. This is gonna go in the back of the head unit as well. It's gonna attach to, if your head unit has, it's gonna attach to the reverse wire that's on the back of the head unit, and or something that will basically trigger the reverse for power. Basically, when you go into reverse, this is gonna be gonna detect it. It's gonna send the signal to the camera, which is gonna be on this end. The other end, which will be plugged into the camera, it's gonna send it through this cord from that reverse thing, the little line that's on the back of the head unit. Send it through the cord all the way to the camera. This one is either going to be wired to your reverse light hot, or it'll be wired to your just any constant power source, depending if you want it power 24/7 or not. That's what this one is for. The one that goes to the back will plug into the yellow of the camera, as you see. This one, the red wire, will just plug in right here. This needs to go to a power and a ground source. So once you get all of those wired up, this one I would recommend wiring it to your reverse light. Just the positive, the negative to your reverse wires, put them on, you're set. Easy installation. Now, to make it a lot easier, what I do recommend are these little T connector things. So essentially what I'm going to do is this piece right here, I'm going to crimp this end onto both ends of these wires. See how it looks like a little plug? Therefore this plug will therefore plug into this piece. This piece you just put over the wire, you will clamp it shut, it will clamp onto the wire, and then through the little rubber of the wire into the actual copper portion of the wire, receiving that signal with that little silver portion of the metal on the inside. And then the wire that you want to get that power from, you simply plug into the back end of this piece like so. Therefore you have an easy solid connection and something that is also weatherproof and or away from just being exposed to getting grounded out and or other possibilities. Hopefully I explained that very well. Alright, so I believe I have it all wired up. I need my keys. Sorry about the compressor. Alright, so let's go ahead and go into reverse and see what happens, I guess. I ain't even gonna complain. It worked. So now that I know that works, I'm going to basically put back the entire interior and tuck all the wiring. I'll update you guys when it's done because I'm sure you guys don't want to see that boring stuff. So I'll update you guys when it's all said and done.
Very quality to me.
All right, ladies and gents. So let's go ahead and get that out of there. Let's go ahead and pop this yawn in a reverse. It's back up into some shit.
Fucking ears.
It's back up into something. No, I'm kidding. Let's go.
Yeah, why don't you?
You think it'll work?
You should hit your Tacoma like you hit mine.
Sheesh! Boy, we have a backup camera. As I still use my mirrors. Oh, it's gonna give me that ugly. Let's see. All right, good test. Good test. Let's see how close we got. See how close we got. Oh, copyright! Hold on. Stop it. Stop it. See how close we got. Oh my gosh! Hold on. That camera. Willie, go look how close the camera look compared to where we actually are.
I can already tell.
Okay, so let's try it again. E-brake kind of sucks. Alright, let's see. So I can see on the camera.
You touched it.
No, I didn't. Want to bet? Let's see. Get the camera out. Get the camera out. Oh, let's see. Not even close. He said, you touched it.
Well, you braked hella hard. It felt like you fucking.
Yeah, because I'm not trying to hit it. I'm trying to gauge.
Well,
where
I didn't
on
know
my-
if you braked or
Oh,
you hit
yeah.
it. Chill.
I'm trying to gauge where on the back of the camera I have to be, like where to see on the Z.
Copyright.
So right now, I think if we get about where the bottom of the screen is to where the line of the bumper is, it might. That's about the distance we're back. Watch. Alright, let's see.
You already told me, and you've already shown me this. It works.
Look how nice!
Yeah, because you finally decided to screw this in, and then guess what? The screw is,
And I also
the
greased
screw's
it.
still fucking loose.
I also greased it. So it actually rolls up. This one, if you guys don't know, this window used to take like 2 arms and like 100% strength just to roll
And
down.
also pushing this in while also pushing that one in. So then
Yeah.
you could do this, and then you
Stuff was falling
sometimes
apart.
you had to use your foot to also do it. It's fucking retarded.
Alright, well we're done talking mess about the car. We're gonna get out, and that's gonna be the end of today's video. So if you guys want to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me see. Whoa, can't see you. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next YouTube video. Later.
Me that I'm lost and